Word processing. Contents. Introduction to word processing. Creating and writing in words. Editing and refining content. Collaboration and sharing. Number 1. Introduction to word processing. Definition of word processing. Documents preparation. Word processing refer to the use of computer software to create, edit, format, and print text-based documents efficiently. Tools significance. These tools are essential for producing professional quality content and managing documents for diverse personal, academic, business purposes. Importance in modern workflows. Enhance productivity. Word processor streamline tasks like a text editing, formatting, and revision, making documents creation faster and more efficient. Collaboration. Features such as real-time editing, cloud integration, and comment tracking enable seamless teamwork across remote or in-person environment. Accessibility. Compatibility with multiple device and operating system ensure case of use across varied personal and personal context. Evolution of the word processing. Early innovation. The initial phase involved typewriter and rudimentary text editing system, laying to the groundwork for modern tools. Software revolution. The advent of tools like Microsoft Word, WordPerfect, and Google Docs transformed how people created and modify documents. Cloud-based advancement. Recent development, including cloud-based word processor, have introduced real-time collaboration, automatic saving, and enhanced user experience. Number 2. Creating and writing in Word. Starting with template, select pre-designed template. Choose from the variety of a template tailored for specific documents type, such as a letter, resume, or report. Customize the template format, edit style, font, color, and layout to suit user preference or branding requirements. Save as a new documents file. Save the customized template for future use, ensuring efficient and consistent documents creation. Voice to text feature, effortless transcription. Use the dictate the feature to convert spoke word into written to text instantly, speeding up to the documentation process. Accessibility, voice to text functionality support users with a physical challenge, making word processing tasks more exclusive. Idea capture, dictation tools allow users to record ideas natural without interrupting their flow, enhancing creativity. AI Copilot for writing assistance. Idea organization. AI-powered Copilot provided a suggestion to structure the Kickstart reading project effectively. Visual enhancement. Use Copilot to generate custom visual, such as a graphic or banner, that complement written to content for presentation or report. Polish content tools offers real-time writing in refinements, improving grammar, tone, and style with minimal effort for the user. Document inside Copilot provided recommendation and answer questions to optimize content clarity and engagement. Number 3. Editing and refining content. Intelligent grammar and spelling checkers. Detect spelling error. Identify geographical mistake and provide the correct alternative. Suggest grammatical improvement. recommended sentence restructuring to enhance readability and coherence, support multiple language, offer grammar and spell check functionalities for a wide range of language, content refinement with AI, clarity, copilot rewrite text to improve flow, coherence and readability without losing intended meaning, vocabulary boost, suggests impactful synonyms and phrasing to refine your writing style, tone adjustment, adapt the tone of your content to suit a professional, casual, or creative settings seamlessly, productivity, provide on the spot feedback, allowing you to refine documents quicker and with fewer revision. Accessibility checker, inclusivity, analyze content to ensure it meet accessibility standard, making it usable for all readers, including those with disability. Visual clarity, recommended adjustment like a color contrast or font, just to improve visual readability. Structure layout, highlight formatting issue such improper heading usage to enhance documents navigation. Compliance, offers guidance to align document with accessibility guidelines, promoting ethical and exclusive communication. Number 4, collaboration and sharing. Real-time collaboration, foster teamwork, enable multiple users to work on the same document simultaneously, improve efficiency, minimize delay by allowing instant edit and update, ensure transparency, track changes made by each user in real time, real time collaboration, improve connectivity, integrate the various transportation methods to enhance the citywide access, enhance efficiency, reduce travel time through the optimized scheduling and routing, promotes sustainability, encourage the use of eco-friendly and low-emission vehicle, real-time collaboration, address industry needs, provide targeted training to meet sector-specific demands, emphasize adaptability, equip works with a transferable skill for future job markets, promote lifelong learning, support workers in a continuous professional development, simplified sharing tools, easy innovation, share documents by generating a link that can be sent via email, messaging apps, or other communication tools. Permission settings, customize access by allowing a specific individual to view, edit, or invite other, maintain control over the document's accessibility. Exclusive collaboration, enable users without an account to view or edit documents, ensuring seamless participation. Thank you.